Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to find a job using LinkedIn platform. That one is an amazing platform. Using the platform, you can find very easily job any one city located on wherever in the world. You just follow my tips and tricks and found very easily jobs. So let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So first of all, you log in or sign in LinkedIn account. This is my LinkedIn account. So look at this here, my profile. I updated very well about a section, what exactly my research experience, and then I put it all entire companies, institution, and my education related information very easily. So people are like your profile and they are asking you are looking at new opportunity or what. Point comes here, how to find a job using LinkedIn. So here job section is there. You just simply click here. Past couple of months I selected, or recently I am job seeking like a Dublin, Ireland, European Union, Denmark, Copenhagen, Germany, and some Denmark positions I am looking. So now how to find some job opportunity, first of all in India, and then I will show you other country and other cities. So here I am type data scientist and city name or country name. So I just type here Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Look at this, in the Hyderabad, Telangana, India, and data scientist and number of positions are available. JP Morgan, IBM. You can scroll down here and then n number of positions are available, and you can see very easily here. Accordingly 1 to 40 pages are available of data scientist position. Accordingly you just simply select here, apply this position like via apply button. The particular button are providing you specific link where you apply the particular position. Like here, scroll down the job seeking, which types of ability they want, asking the particular person. So accordingly, and then you simply apply here. Like you add your email address here, enter confirmation you receive in your email address, verify, and then I verify specific code. You apply via LinkedIn, apply indent or resume. So I am using my LinkedIn. I apply, my profile is import successfully in this particular company, and then you add here your specific title, like you are PhD holder, so you select then Mr., Mrs. or MRA selected here in the PhD holder. So just I select here in India, Maharashtra, Aurangabad, prefer location JP Morgan in Hyderabad. Yes. Are you authorized permit location, which is yes. You upload here your resume, simply select the resume. You have any link, my personal website, Asian mail, select signature and then submit. Saving candidate information, saving job application information going on. I just simple provide you this demo how to apply after find out the specific position. So here is my profile. I uploaded here my resume and I apply for this particular position located on Hyderabad. So here n number of profile is there. I can apply same as it is in IBM related profile available on Hyderabad. So accordingly n number of this position, and then after you just simply select here in the Germany and search. So Germany related data scientist positions are available of different cities like Frankfurt, Munich, Berlin, some other cities profiles are come. You just simply type here in London, United Kingdom. So data scientist related profiles are come, companies are different, and simply apply this button and fulfill your covering letter or your resume accordingly. United States and then enter. So n number of data scientist related profiles are comes here in US location. You can change here the specific city, specific country, and search no matter for which types of profile you are looking, data scientist, machine learning, or other domain related. Because of I am related on machine learning, computer science related, so I know about this position of my field. If you are in a different domain, so accordingly you type here in your related domain profile and then search, and then change the city or change the country. No matter your add here in directly city name or country name. It's quite simple to find out job in LinkedIn using my tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.